It's been a great experience over here, like a great experience for me.
तो प्लेसमेंट्स का क्या सिनेरियो है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए?
All these are like false, like they have been like lot of work and its life is so like easy to do work.
हुँ।
I think there's always plenty of work over here.
हाँ,
Nobody like even
तो जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं या जो भी
like
आपके
in India, the method of study is really different as compared to like in Canada. So in like
वेरी फ्यू पीपल आर नॉट एवर फॉरगॉटन। कैसे हो आप?
हाय गुजरात में।
मैम बढ़िया, आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? हाय नेहा मैम।
मैं तो ठीक हूँ,
तो
जो तो अभी-अभी उठी है बस बेड से।
Yes ma'am, I just woke up.
देन शी इज़ सेइंग आई एम रेडी फॉर द कॉल।
So last time I just came home at like at late in the night. That's why I just woke up
Yeah,
now.
today is family day, so it's a holiday.
Yeah, it's a holiday over here, but like still some works are like open.
Yeah.
So like yeah,
Okay, how have you been?
it's been a great experience over here, like a great experience for me.
Do you miss home?
Yeah, a lot. But the conditions like in the COVID like are really like not as good in India like in
Yeah.
Canada because in Canada like everything was open. Just the
Mhm.
like inside. So like in India like it was a very like difficult one to stay at home like all the time. But
Yes.
in Canada it was so different. Yeah, it
So
was
you
really
were
good
roaming
over here.
outside? That's what you're telling me?
No. I like so like as you heard that the Canadian government like has like removed the restriction for the student to work like more than 20 hours. So
Yeah.
at that time I was studying and working 40 hours.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yeah,
Very good. Acha.
yeah, it was.
So today, I've been contacting so many students, Diljot, like you, like so many students, other students. So we want to share your experience with, इतने सारे बच्चे आते हैं. Anyways, you're a school student, so
Yeah.
many students come to us, and they are scared कि अभी COVID है, तो what is the scenario और पहले क्या scenario था. So, I have listed out these few questions that I want to ask you. So I'm going to ask that to so many students जो आपके साथ गए थे और आप लोगों को 1 year तो हो गया, I believe, having
Yeah. It's
been
more than
in
1 year.
Canada. ठीक है, so when did you go? What intake was that? September or Jan?
So it was September intake in 2019.
19. So it's been 1 year and 4 months
4
almost.
months. Yeah.
Yeah. So जब आप गए थे तो how was the mingling with student? Like, how did you gel up? How easy it was? How difficult it was?
So I think it was really for me to mingle up with the students. So like all the students are mostly have like Indian background. So
Hmm.
like I don't see like any Canadian students coming in the colleges. Like
Okay.
not in my college or not in my course. So
Mhm.
basically like all from the Indian background. So like it was really easy for me to like get to them because like we have the similar culture, similar language,
Mhm.
and like similar interests and similar background, family background. So like all are coming from the different backgrounds and all they have like no friends over here. So
Yeah.
they all wants to like mingle up and like talk to them and talk to about their
Everybody wants friends.
background. Yeah, everybody wants friends. So like we easily mingle up and just talk about our background, our studies back in the home. So in
Yeah.
that way we just become like good friends.
Great. Somebody's alarm is ringing. I'm sure it's yours.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay.
I'm
So,
sorry.
um, you know, so yours was Conestoga College, right?
Yeah.
And what course was it?
It was global business management.
Global business. So, how was, your experience of, studying in your college compared to doing graduation in India?
So I think yeah, it was like a really like different experience for me because like in India, like in India, the method of study is really different as compared to like in Canada. So
Hmm.
in my class, we were like only 16 students in the class,
Yeah.
and like it was really easy to like have the things understandable.
Hmm.
And mostly in the Indian, first we have like bunch of students in the classes, and teachers are not able to pay attention to like one student or like any particular students, and
Mhm.
then like a bunch of people and they just come and give lectures and then go. They
Hmm.
don't care about whether like we have understood or not.
Yeah.
But in Canada it's totally different experience. like we have like different sessions. We have like assignments in class which we have to do in class, and we have like discussions over in here in class, and we have like different meetings with teachers here in class. So we have to give like presentation every week over here, and then we have to
Mm.
prepare. So
So
it was like a different
did that
experience.
boost your confidence a lot, giving presentations?
Yeah, a lot. Yeah.
Were you scared for your first presentation?
Like not really, because like I have like a great experience over here, like in India, in my schools or in like teaching in hashtag. So
Yeah.
it was like like this helped me really a lot. So like I don't have any difficulty. I didn't face any difficulty giving like presentations and
अच्छा, तो
lectures.
मुझे बताओ, हाउ वाज़ योर फाइंडिंग, मतलब सबसे पहली अकोमोडेशन ढूँढने में कितनी प्रॉब्लम आई थी?
So accommodation mein, I really didn't face any problem. So like
हाँ,
I was being told by you or Vishali ma'am that you can search over the Facebook, because
या,
there are like many Facebook groups. So
या,
like I found one Facebook group by the Conestoga Brentford College,
या,
and there were like so many posts for accommodation. So like I quickly messaged them and I just got it
यू जस्ट गॉट
with
इट,
one
यू वर
of
लकी।
yeah with yeah. And I got like one friend over here, and she was like she also contacted the same person, and I also connect the same person. So
अच्छा,
we kind of like we just met over here, and it was like really easy,
ओके,
not a big
सो नाउ यू आर स्टेइंग इन शेयर्ड अकोमोडेशन और यू स्टे बाय योरसेल्फ?
in shared accommodation.
शेयर्ड अकोमोडेशन। तो
Yeah.
कितना डिफिकल्ट है लोगों के लिए अकोमोडेशन ढूँढना ढूँढना इन योर कॉलेज एरिया? दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट
So
टू नो।
आई थिंक इतना मैम कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। सो लाइक डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पोस्ट होते हैं फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे। तो काफी लोग डालते हैं कि उनके पास एक रूम फ्री है, उनके पास ये फ्री है, उनके पास ये फ्री
हुँ,
है। तो आप सिंपल जाओ, आपको जो अच्छा लगता है तो आप उस पे सर्च करो, उनसे बात करो कि हमें ये पसंद है, ये हमें रिक्वायरमेंट्स है।
हुँ,
तो इजीली मिल जाते हैं। यहाँ पे इतनी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बच्चों के रहने के लिए
हुँ।
अकोमोडेशन की।
और
मैंने इंडिया में सुना था कि काफी डिफिकल्ट होती है अकोमोडेशन ढूंढने में,
हुँ,
बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। बहुत आराम से मिल जाती है अकोमोडेशन।
और खाना बनाना है, काम करना है, स्टडीज़ हैं, तो पहले-पहले
अ
डिफ़िकल्ट लगा कि आदत थी इसलिए मैनेज हो गया?
स्टार्टिंग में तो हमने कुछ इतना बनाया नहीं। हम मैं लाइक आई गॉट माय वर्क लाइक इज़िली इन द रेस्टोरेंट
हुँ,
लाइक जस्ट इन द September,
अच्छा,
just after 15 days being here. So like I firstly used to eat over there, then then
दैट वर्क्स।
then then धीरे-धीरे फिर ग्रोसरीज़ की, फिर उसके बाद हो गया था मैनेज। So like when we are 2 people, so it becomes easy to manage.
येस,
Sometimes she makes, sometimes I make.
गुड,
So
गुड। तो फर्स्ट जॉब ढूँढने में कितनी प्रॉब्लम हुई?
so
पार्ट
luckily, like I was, so like when I just came here, I made my resume. So like I sent over to different restaurants and different like industries over here.
हुँ,
So like after giving my resume, within 15 days, I got a call. So
हुँ,
at the Taco Bell, so like I just joined here, and it's been like 1.5 year. I'm still there. So like I was also being promoted to shift manager over here.
ओह, वेरी गुड। तो कितने आवर्स काम कर लेते हो? मतलब यू
So like abhi to ma'am, like I'm on my work permit. So my studies just like finished in the January. I didn't take any break. So I just like continued my studies for 16 months. So I ended up in the December last
गुड, गुड।
year. So
हुँ,
and I just got my work permit. So work permit just came so early. It's just like 7 days I've been applied. I got my work permit. So
ग्रेट।
like now,
तो
so like
टाइमली हो
now,
गया मतलब सब कुछ।
yeah. So like now I like almost work 50 to 55 hours in a week.
अच्छा, तो जो आपकी अकोमोडेशन की कॉस्ट होती है, वो कितनी चली जाती है आपके एरिया में? अप्रॉक्सिमेटली रेंज शेयरिंग?
Like कितनी कॉस्ट
अमाउंट
कितनी है?
अमाउंट हाँ, हाँ, रेंज
Like 350, 300 to 350 is for the like people who want to share.
शेयर।
300 to 350. For
हुँ,
the single room, it's like 450, 500 or 550.
हुँ। अच्छा, टेल मी, जैसे बच्चों को काम, कई बच्चों को बड़ी डिफ़िकल्टी होती है, काम भी करना है और पढ़ना भी है साथ में, तो हमारे से नहीं हो रहा। सो इज़ इट दैट बैड और इज़ इट
नहीं
योर विल पावर?
नहीं नहीं, अगर अगर किसी बच्चे ने काम करना है, उसका है इंटरेस्ट कि उसने ग्रो करना है आगे और उसने काम सीखना है, कुछ भी करना है,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ।
इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है मैनेज करना। सो इवन लाइक इन द फर्स्ट ईयर आई यूज्ड टू हैव लाइक 4 days classes.
हाँ,
So
हाँ,
and they are like continuous classes. So I only have like 3 days left to work. So
हुँ।
like इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं था, मैनेज हो जाता था। असाइनमेंट्स पे होती थी, बट इजीली था क्योंकि यहाँ पे काम इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। कई बच्चों को लगता है काम यहाँ पे बहुत डिफिकल्ट है,
हुँ।
बट इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, हो जाता है आराम से मैनेज अगर किसी ने करना हो तो।
तो प्रोफ़ेसर्स सपोर्टिंग है होते हैं और आर दे बिहाइंड यू पीपल?
No, no, like professors are like really supporting because they understand like we have like different background,
Hmm.
and they like really want to indulge in like
The
in
background,
a
understand
in a
your
culture.
culture. Hmm.
Yeah, and like even they sometimes try to speak a language or even try to learn a language. So
Hmm.
like yeah, it was like really like feel good when they like do things like this. No, they're really supportive. Some
अच्छा,
of
तो ये
them are
sorry.
like some of them like might do discrimination, but like
Yeah,
90% are really good.
that's my question actually. So
Yeah,
discrimination होना इसलिए because you are all from one like Asian background or
Asia's
Indian है,
background.
Punjabi है.
Yeah,
So
yeah, maybe because like they feel like we don't have like that kind of manners Canadian people do. Like we are not able to understand the things like they do. Maybe that's why they do.
okay. So जब you were at college, so did you have all these debates and clubs and competitions and all that while studying?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
did you participate?
I like in the Visakhi event. I participated in the Bhangra. So like I did Bhangra Diwali function and Diwali function. Yeah. So
Yeah.
debates are not like we have a like also like Conestoga Brentford campus is not as big as like the Kitchener campus. So
Hmm.
like we used to have like less functions as compared to Kitchener one,
Hmm.
but like it was okay. Yeah,
It's
it was
okay.
fine.
So did you ever get to go to Kitchener also to participate in anything? कि नहीं मतलब ब्रैनफोर्ड में ही रहना पड़ता था most of the time?
Any yeah, we are like there are like some opportunities when like we are like given a chance to go to Kitchener, but
हम्म,
हम कभी नहीं वहाँ पे.
कभी गए नहीं. You were also biased towards your campus. चलो, good. अच्छा. तो जब students after going moving out like before moving out from your college, तो placements का क्या scenario है students के लिए?
Like ma'am, वैसे my second course was global hospitality management. So like उस course में क्या placements थी, but उस time पे COVID आ गया था, तो we were not able to attend the classes or do have any placements in person. So
Right.
like we haven't. So like our college has sent like different like in the different like our college has sent like different applications to hotels about the college. So like the hotels that contacted the student, like we have like these position offering. I think these kinds of placement we did have in the COVID scenario. So like
अच्छा.
we are given the different names of hotel and their applications. So like a week so that we can like send a resume or application in which position we want to apply.
अच्छा. तो अभी जैसे प्री कोविड थिंग्स वर डिफरेंट, पोस्ट कोविड थिंग्स आर
Things, yeah.
डिफरेंट. व्हाट इज द मेजर चेंज?
So the major
You.
thing I think is was that like we are like moved to the remote virtual classes. So
Mm-hmm.
like in the last year, I think in the March, in the mid of the February. So like all the classes, all the in-person classes have been banned. And in the like online classes, I think, in my opinion, I think we don't pay as much attention as we pay in class. I
Mm-hmm.
think I think we not even like we open all our webcams or like listen
So
to
we are
any
cooking on
teachers.
one side and we are attending class
Yeah,
on the
doing.
other side.
Yeah, even yeah, I think we don't have like that understanding
Yeah.
in on the virtual classes as we as on the on face to face
हुँ।
classes.
तो अब बच्चों के लिए जैसे अब बच्चे आ रहे हैं या जो एडमिशन लेते तो काफ़ी बच्चों ने अपना पोस्टपोन कर दिया प्लान। कोविड आ गया, नहीं जा
Yeah, that,
सकते। इट हैज़ बीन एन इकोनॉमिकल यू नो बै सेटअप सेटबैक आल्सो फॉर पीपल। तो
yeah.
इज़ इट गोइंग टू बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू यू टू फाइंड जॉब्स नाउ considering it's COVID, or is it okay? It's not still
So
not that bad right now.
so I think in Canada, I think there is an in my opinion, I think there is no effect on the work in Canada
हुँ,
because I have not stopped working since the COVID came. So I'm just working regularly. I
हुँ,
think no industries like having like in which the students' work has been closed.
हुँ,
I
हुँ।
think they all have been working. Even I think that in the COVID, I think the students have got more work
हुँ,
because I think
that's true.
many Canadian like have already like they retired or like they don't want to come to work due to COVID.
Yeah.
I think this has opened up many positions for the like students. Like many new positions have been opened up due to COVID because we have to like maintain social distance at every place. So
Yes.
now they require workforce to maintain that distance. So I think
तो वो भी एक काम है.
yeah, yeah. I think the different positions have opened up due to COVID. No, I think there's a lot of work. If anyone wants to do work, I think there's always plenty of work over here.
हाँ,
Nobody like
तो
even.
तो जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं या जो भी आपके ग्रुप में स्टूडेंट्स हैं और योर बैचमेट्स, डू दे फाइंड वर्क इन किचनर दिस एरिया और दे गो टू टोरंटो एंड देन दे बिकॉज़ इट्स वेरी नियर, सो डू दे ट्राई टू फाइंड
I-
वर्क?
So I think Brantford I think is a really good place for finding work. I think there has been like a lot of industries over here, like a lot of industries.
Hmm.
Even people come from Kitchener to do work in Brantford.
Okay.
Like I have been really lucky that I
You're in
landed in
this
Brantford.
place.
I think there are a lot of opportunities over in here in Brantford. I don't think we have to like move to Toronto for the
तो
work.
पहले जो commuting is always a big concern for students in Canada. Distance
Yeah,
बहुत ज़्यादा है. So,
yeah,
taxis can get very expensive or cabs
expensive.
can be very expensive. So how about commuting from Kitchener, Brantford to Toronto and, how often you traveled?
So I think you might know like nowadays like student have like opened up the right thing
Mm,
also. So
mm.
like what they do is like if one person is going to like
Pull
Toronto or
in
somewhere, I think they post a ride on like different
on,
networking
yeah,
sites.
on different sides.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let they're going to Toronto and something, and like some if the people wants to like go, I think the charges have been split up, and I think this minimum charges are there to go to any places.
Yeah, and then they
I
form
think
a
that's
group and
really
they do it every time, I believe.
yeah, yeah. I think and also like there are some buses that go and they are like in really reasonable prices or some like metro schools.
So how is shopping in Canada?
Brentwood is really a small place. There's just only one mall. It's really small.
Yeah, but going to Toronto is always not that
Yeah,
far.
yeah.
So
So like Niagara Outlet and like in the Hamilton, like it's really good. I think
Niagara,
like
Niagara is good. So where all have you been? Tell me in Ontario or outside. I don't know. Where all did you go?
like honestly speaking, I have not been even to Niagara Falls yet.
That is not expected. I think so. First time वहीं जाओ पहले. अब तो आ गया work permit. So you need to take
Yeah,
a
yeah. So
break and
like
go to
I,
the.
I'm planning to go in the March. So
Mhm.
I'll go definitely in March.
अच्छा.
I have not like seen anything over here yet. I'll go definitely go this time.
So you were all focused के पहले अपना work permit ले लो फिर करते हैं जो करना है.
Yeah, because I didn't get any drop or like it was like studying and working.
Yeah, yeah. तो mom dad, how are mom dad and when are they planning to come? कि already आके चले गए. So how was it?
Uh, no, like so I have like plans to come to India this
Yeah.
month in the March. So
Mm-hmm.
like, but I think things like change. So like I have seen one like statement from the Justin Trudeau. It say that it's been like uncertain when he's going to like suspend international flights.
Mm-hmm.
Like I don't want to. I don't want to take any risk and like stay in India like whole my time. So
Yeah,
I just
yeah,
cancelled my plan. So like I think so like I have started my experience now from the knock any jobs which
yeah,
we need for a PR.
yeah.
So I think next year after applying, maybe I will eligible to apply for my invitation for PR.
Yeah,
Then
इस
I'll
तो people were very lucky. They got a rank of 75.
they got rank of 75. Yeah, maybe sometimes this come in our time also.
Yeah, so एक 1 year का experience तो minimum required है to.
Yeah, so that's why so like I'm now focusing on my experience of 1 year. Then maybe I'll
So
go
so
to.
your so you are already looking out for a job. I know that. So have you found it?
So like I'm also like working in a, like Taco Bell as a shift
Okay,
manager. I think that's a knockby job.
okay,
So
okay.
like I'll get
So
experience
that
with
is
that one.
anyways a part of your experience and
Yeah, that's a part of my experience. Yeah.
that's good, very good. Okay, so thank you Diljot for coming online,
No, no worries, ma'am.
and I hope
So
I can just wish you all the best for whatever you're
yeah,
doing.
yeah,
So
thank you so much,
whenever
ma'am.
I come or you come, whatever way, come and see us.
Yeah, sure,
We
ma'am.
love to see
Sure.
all of you whenever you people are back or when we are in Canada. So that is extremely important.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you're always remembered at school and at hashtag.
Yeah.
You've been a very important member of our company. So very few people are not ever forgotten. So that is
Yes.
the kind of contribution you've had. So that's great, and always we'll always remember that. And anything that you want to say before we close today.
So I think I just wanted to say that people have like a lot of misconceptions about Canada. That
Hmm.
there's like accommodation is so expensive. Like nowadays, like many people have come to Canada, so there's like no work.
Hmm.
like all these are like false. Like they have been like lot of work, and its life is so like easy in
Mhm.
Canada as compared to India. I think we have like independence, so it depends upon us how we utilize it and how we like go over here. So
Mhm.
like it's like a great place to come over here. Just can come and enjoy your life is.
Great, great. I wish you all the very best, Diljot, and I do
Yeah.
not want to spoil your holiday. Have fun
Yes.
and watch
Yeah.
some movies. I hope you're not working today, or are you?
Yeah, I'm working.
Oh, you are? Okay. But then you also
Yes.
need to visit, your whatever Niagara and everywhere else because you've just been working and studying.
Eh, yeah. I'll definitely go
Yeah,
one
share
day.
pictures once you visit all these places.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I'll share it to you. No
Okay,
worries.
keep in touch. Bye.
Yeah, sure.
Have a
Bye,
wonderful
ma'am.
time.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye,
Bye,
bye,
bye.
bye.